welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a Supreme unbagging. I got the gold waist bag, so I'm going to showing you some clips of how the waist bag looks, how much it can fit, and yeah, I paid $119. That includes tax, but retail I believe it was $98, and I think I paid for shipping as well, and it came in like a week, so that's good. If you're interested in the Supreme waist bag, then just keep on watching. And before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow me on my socials before we go, because I do post there. So yeah, let's jump into this video. Hey everyone, so for this part of the video, I'm going to be doing a voiceover. In the beginning, I did some ASMR. So right now what I'm showing you is these pockets on this waist bag that can fit water bottles. I thought that's pretty cool because when you're out and about, you know, it's really convenient. And I like how this pocket has the Supreme logo. I thought that was really cool. It has two logos on it, which I thought was really nice. And it has the box logo, which is what I love. This color is the gold Supreme waist bag, but it reminds me more of like a dark yellow. This zipper is like a hidden zipper, so I thought I would kind of show it off because you can put, you know, AirPods, your phone, anything you want in there. Some small stuff, you can put small stuff in there. And this bag actually has a lot of space for it being a waist bag, surprisingly. You can throw it over your shoulder or you can wear it on your waist, but it holds a lot of stuff. I'm about to show you all the stuff that you can hold in this bag because it's pretty spacious. So as you can see, this bag holds a lot of stuff, which is why I really like it. So I personally think it was worth the money because when I'm out and about, this bag just seems like it's going to be my go-to because of how much it can fit. And I'm pretty sure I could still put more stuff in this bag, but I wouldn't want to overload it. It's pretty sturdy. I like the aesthetics of it. I like how much it can hold. So yeah, if you were looking to get this bag, then I think that you should get it because it's probably one of the best waist bags I've seen out there. So I think the buckles are super fashionable, and I also like the mesh. I thought that was really cool that they decided to put mesh in this bag. Something else I wanted to point out was these Hidden Supreme logos. They're like reflective, and I didn't even notice them until my boyfriend pointed it out to me, but it's super dope. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It does help the content circulate here on YouTube. And I will see y'all in my next video. Thanks. Bye.